are the adults, the leaders? Where are the strong? The ones who inherit the earth, on loan for the young. As for daughters and sons, to protect them all from their woes, to nourish and guard them as anxiety grows. Music, nature, love in harmony may help them discover the skills for coping with fears, with respect and regard in the primary years. We'll be nurturing hope in the land of Éirne agreed. Let's deliver tomorrow's mindful foundations today. Well, what do you say if we all play a part and touche? With respect and regard in the primary years, we'll be nurturing hope in the land of Éirne agreed. But were we the adults, the leaders, were we the strong? We need to mind the earth for generations to come. As for the daughters and sons, to safeguard them from their woes, to nourish, guard and protect as anxiety grows, to nourish, guard and protect as anxiety grows.